LDV Deliver 7. Limited Time Upgrade Offer. LDV is currently offering a significant value boost on its Deliver 7 commercial van, adding $1,500 worth of features at no extra cost. The promotion, running through March 31, 2026, or while supplies last, applies to 2025 model year, MY25, vans and includes alloy wheels, dual sliding doors, and a 360-degree camera as standard. Key details of the offer: this deal positions the Deliver 7 competitively against rivals like the Toyota Hiace and Ford Transit Custom. The offer covers both the short wheelbase (SWB) and long wheelbase (LWB) versions, with drive-away prices starting at $46,305 for the SWB and $48,411 for the LWB, with additional discounts available for ABN holders. Van specifications: the Deliver 7 is powered by a 2-liter turbodiesel engine producing 123 kW and 390 Nm of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It's a front-wheel drive van capable of carrying a payload up to 1,295 kg and towing up to 2,000 kg when braked. Cargo capacity: the SWB offers 6.3 cubic meters of cargo space, while the LWB expands this to 7.2 cubic meters. Standard features: both models include rear barn doors with 2-stage openings, a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a suite of safety tech like adaptive cruise control and rear cross-traffic alert. Warranty and support: LDV backs the Deliver 7 with a 7-year/200,000 km warranty and 5 years of unlimited kilometer roadside assistance. The promotion does not apply to the electric LDV eDeliver 7, which has a separate starting price of $63,990 drive-away for ABN holders. The Deliver 7's enhanced features and competitive pricing make it an attractive option for businesses seeking a reliable and well-equipped commercial van, but the limited-time nature of the offer means buyers should act soon to take advantage of the added value.